Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
It was yet another windy day across the state line today. We saw peak wind gusts anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour through much of the afternoon and into the evening, and even a few spots got close to that 50-mile-per-hour mark. Many of these wind gusts were actually outside of thunderstorms, but we did have one at the Rockford airport. That 51-mile-per-hour wind gust, the strongest of the day, was actually when a severe thunderstorm was rolling through the area. All of that wind helped to kick up a lot of dirt and dust across portions of the state line, including down near the Kirkland and Fairdale area. These photos sent to us by our weather watcher Sandy down in that direction. Not nearly as bad as the intense dust storm that actually formed across portions of east central Illinois and lifted into Chicago and its suburbs. But we did see our fair share of some of that dust kicking up with some of those strongest winds. As we head through the evening tonight, our winds will continue to gradually subside. That wind advisory was allowed to be canceled at 9 p.m. along with that blowing dust advisory as well. We'll still see those gusts upwards of possibly 30 miles per hour going into early parts of tomorrow and could near 30 or 35 miles per hour through much of the early part of the day tomorrow. But after that, we'll see those gusts significantly start to calm as we head closer to Saturday evening and certainly going into Sunday. With that wind out of a southerly direction and plenty of sunshine, very dry air, our temperature actually made it to 88 degrees in Rockford, just 2 degrees shy of what would have been our second broken record in a row. 89, that high temperature in Rochelle, a little bit cooler up to the north when you look with some rain-cooled air that came in during that afternoon of peak heating. Late into the evening, we still have some of those winds as shown with our Mercy Health Skytrack camera in Beloit, Wisconsin. Still somewhat cloudy. Now we've brought that increasing cloud cover in. A cold front passing through the area, quickly dropping our temperatures down through the 60s and into the 50s back behind it, also producing some light rain showers beginning to circle around this spiraling low pressure system off to our north and to our northwest. That may bring some light rain, possibly some sprinkles with it as we head likely through portions of the overnight. That will gradually be on the decrease, though. What little rain chances we have will be out of here as we head into the early parts of tomorrow. However, that cloud cover likely sticking with us at least through most of the early part of the day. We will get a little bit of a breakup in that cloud cover going into the afternoon. How quickly that arrives will likely determine how high our temperature will get for Saturday. But back behind that front, it will be a cooler weekend. High temperature on Saturday, likely only in the 60s. We could get some sunshine late in the day that possibly boosts that number a little bit more. Therefore, Sunday with a little bit more sunshine, high temperature of 70 degrees. Late into Sunday evening, we will have to contend with another lake breeze that will be rolling in from the east. We will stay dry for the weekend, though, but early next week, our next weather system will begin to arrive. The slow-moving low-pressure system will start to slide in as we head through Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday. Highest coverage of any rain showers likely would arrive during that Tuesday window. And note the track of this low down to our south, along with the rain chances and a lot more of that extensive cloud cover. We are looking at quite a cool stretch for at least a few days. Even downright chilly for a few of those. 66 for Saturday, 70 though for Sunday, down to 64 on Monday, then even a few days in the low 60s. That comes with those rain chances, possibly a rumble of thunder there on Tuesday with that widespread rain. But as we dry out late into the week, we see those numbers start to rebound a little bit, but still in the 60s.